This is race number 1. And they're off. Entry number 1 slow out, and that is Don Jaime. Early lead is taken by the favorite My Queen, followed by Near at Hand in second. Restless Heart running in third. And nearing the far turn, it is still My Queen, the favorite, by 3.5 lengths. Near at Hand running in second, and Restless Heart in third. And Master K, Canadian Girl, and Don Jaime. The last bend for home, it is still My Queen by 5.5 lengths, followed by Near at Hand in second, and closing in third on the outside is Restless Heart. At the top of the stretch, it is still the outstanding favorite, My Queen, leading the field, followed by Near at Hand on the inside. On the outside, Restless Heart, Master K, Canadian Girl, and Don Jaime. And nearing the payoff line, it is still the favorite, number 6, My Queen. And finally, at the payoff line, it's My Queen, Restless Heart, Near at Hand, Master K, Canadian Girl, and Don Jaime.